What's up, you guys? It's Brandon from BlazeTech. Now, I'm just gonna make this quick video because I have pasta to eat and it's gonna get cold if this video is way too long. But anyway, so in today's video, we're gonna be addressing an issue whereas if you got a PS4 control like that and you got it plugged into your computer and you got a game like, I don't know, for example, Dark Souls 3, because this is where I experienced the problem on, and I'll show you what I mean, where pretty much your controller, your PS4 controller, kind of acts as a mouse and doesn't like act properly like it's meant to, even though you are most likely playing on Steam and it's like, oh, we have your PS4 control enabled, please like feel free to use it and and it should work correctly, but where in fact they're actually wrong. So I'm going to show you what I mean, and if you have this problem you can follow these steps and you can pretty much fix the issue. So I'm going to show you. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see here, I have my PS4 control by a USB just simply plugged into my keyboard, which is obviously plugged into my computer, right? So visit Google for reference sake so I can just show you, but I encountered this problem on Dark Souls 3. So if we come up with Dark Souls 3, this is Dark Souls 3 right here, and pretty much if I can do this, okay, so pretty much you have that, right? And see, like, buttons are not working. Buttons are not working right now. But if I get out of a pause menu, just say escape on my keyboard, then if I do this, keep doing this, I can look around. But as you can see, every other button, character not moving. And this is a problem. Only the actual touchpad on the PS4 controls the camera, and that's pretty much it. And if you're playing a game like Dark Souls, you're gonna die if this happens to you because you can't move. So what's the easiest way you can solve this issue? Well, it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna Alt Tab out of this, so Alt Tab, and you go to Chrome, or you can go to anything as long as you can get access to Google, right? So what you want to do is you want to come to Google, and yes, there are condoms there because protection is key to everything. I looked up Louis Vuitton condoms to see if there's anything, but anyway, you're gonna type in DS3, so DS3, and you can come up with DS3 tool and weapons and everything like that. So you're gonna say DS3. Wait, no, is that right? No. Sorry, correction, it's a DS4, right? Not DS3, that's Dark Souls. So you're gonna wanna say DS4 for Windows, or if you're playing on Mac for some weird reason, you'll click on DS4 Mac. But for conversation's sake, I'm gonna go DS4 Windows. So what you wanna do is go to DS4 Windows by Jay's Two Kings. After you come to that, you're gonna wanna click on download now, and don't worry, I'll teach you how to use it. So you want to go install this latest one, which is the 1.4.52, and I generally just download it as a zip just to make it easier. So for reference sake, I kept this in my downloads folder so it'd be easier to just show you guys what I mean. So for reference sake, we're gonna come down to our file explorer and we're gonna go to our downloads, and it will come up as this, right? So come up as a DS4 Windows. What you want to do, right click and say extract here. After you've done that, you'll have these two things that pop up, DS4 Windows and DS4 Updater. Do not worry about DS4 Updater, because if you got the latest version, then you obviously don't need to update, and I don't think there's going to be any updates any later. But if you are on a later version, then I would say do DS4 Updater, and once you're done, well, it's pretty easy. So once you're done that, you're gonna want to click on DS4 Windows. So just simple double click and it'll come up with this profile. So as soon as you plug in this, your PS4 control, it will come up as this. So for example purposes, I'm just gonna unplug my PS4 control. Now it comes up as nothing, right? So if I plug my PS4 control back in, if I can get it correctly, which I can't. Okay, I plug that back in, right? Now it pops up. Now, if you want to be cool, you can change it to purple, or you can change any color you want. You have all these colors, right? I could change it like green if I want to, and say okay. Then look at my control. It's now green. Here it looks blue, but that's not the point. So once you've done that, then you're gonna want to minimize it, not shut it down or anything, just minimize it. And for example, Dark Souls, we're gonna want to come back to that. So this is Dark Souls, and I'm streaming this on Twitch. If you want to check me out on Twitch, it is www.twitch.tv/blazejump, and the link will also be in the description. Anyway, so I'm gonna quit out of this game. So yes, I want to quit, right? So I'm gonna fully quit out the game. I could F4, but I'm just gonna quit like how every other normal person does it. So quit game, right? So I'm gonna go to Steam and get a library, find Dark Souls 3, click play. And remember, DS4 Windows is open at this moment. So once it opens up, I'll boot in, then I'll tell you, and just let it load, because it's taking its time. See, you can see my, you can't even see my finger. You could see my illuminated thing. PS4 control, that's what it's called. Right, so, okay, so we're in that, right? I'm gonna say enter on my keyboard, enter, space. Okay, I'm gonna click. It likes clicking. Okay, I'm just gonna say continue game, right? So you remember before where we have the issue of it wasn't working correctly? Now, since you got DS4 Windows opened and just minimized, it should work correctly. And I'm gonna pray that this okay. My controller's not working. Okay, so I figured out. I decided to restart my computer because my USB has problems with this keyboard sometimes. But anyway, so you know I'm not lying. This is Dark Souls 3. We've got DS4 Windows. I'm just gonna open it as proof. See, proof right there. Plugged in like normal with a wire. Sorry. Going to DS3. Moving around. So we can. I can't do this with one hand, but you get the point. So if you've got an issue where your PS4 isn't controlling, your PS4 isn't working properly, the controller that is, on your PC, just get DS4 Windows. Either you can do it yourself, or I will provide a link in the description on how you can get that. So yeah. So that's just a little quick tip for you guys. This video might be like 7-8 minutes long, but yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed. This is Brandon from Blaze Tech, and hope you have an awesome day. Remember, stay home. If you're non-essential, I'm essential, so I can still go to work, which is whoop-de-doo great. But no, other than that, I really appreciate it if you guys check out my social media. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. Twitter is Blaze Brandon, Instagram Brandon Blaze 9, and Twitch is Blaze Jump. They'll all be up here, and they'll also be in the link below in the description. Also, if you guys want any of my gear that I use regarding my computer equipment and recording setup and all that stuff, there'll be links below for that as well. They are affiliate links, just letting you know. Amazon associate affiliate links. But if you purchase anything from there, that'd be really cool. Helps out the channel, helps out me. And once again, leave a like on this video. It helps out me out with the algorithm. And subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It'll be awesome to see you in the next video. And see you next time. Bye.